How to fix high CPU memory usage by svchost.exe 2025 guide. 1. Identify the problematic service. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Go to Details tab, find svchost.exe using high memory CPU. Right-click, go to Service S. Check which services are associated, highlighted. Google suspicious services or note heavy ones like Windows Update, sysmain, or WMI provider host. 2. Disable problematic services only if safe. Example, disable sysmain, superfetch. Press Win plus R, type services.msc, enter. Find sysmain, right-click, Properties, set startup type, disabled, click Stop, apply. Example, disable Windows Update, temporary. Services.msc, find Windows Update set to disabled or manual. Only disable if you are sure some services are vital. 3. Clear software distribution folder. Sometimes svchost.exe spikes due to Windows Update. Open command prompt as administrator. Stop services. Net stop wazr. Net stop bits. Delete cache. Del fsq %windir software distribution. Restart services. Net start wazr. Net start bits. 4. Scan for malware. Use Windows Defender full scan or run a trusted tool like Malwarebytes. Malicious software can mask itself as svchost.exe. 5. Run svc and dism tools. Repair corrupted system files that cause svchost.exe to act up. svc scan no. Dism online cleanup, image restore health. Run from command prompt admin. 6. Use Process Explorer, advanced users. Download Process Explorer from Microsoft. Run as admin. Hover over svchost.exe, it will show you exactly what services are using it. You can right-click and kill individual service trees, be careful. Can you remove svchost.exe? No. It's a critical Windows system process. But you can stop unnecessary services running under it. Fix what's causing it to spike. Scan for fakes malware using the same name. Final step, optimize startup and background services. Disable non-essential startup apps. Task Manager Startup tab. Go to Settings, System Notifications, Actions, uncheck unneeded background apps. YouTube video idea title. How to fix svchost.exe high memory CPU usage, 2025, 100% working solution. Want a full video script or thumbnail ideas too?